How to adjust the brightness of the display to make it brighter or dimmer on a Hyundai i30, also known as a Hyundai Elantra GT. This is a 2022, so it's going to work on a lot of Hyundais from this era because we're going to use the fancy infotainment system to do it. We're going to control everything from there, and it's very easy. If we have this screen, we can just hit the settings menu, but if we don't have that screen, we can just hit that setup button. They both take you to the same place, which is the settings menu, just different words for the same place. And from here, we're going to go to the display option. And from the display option, the very first thing we have is the brightness. Now, you can have it just on automatic, which means it'll automatically make it brighter during the day and then dim it down at night so that it's not overwhelming. But you can also just, if you want, you can do it manually, and then you can manually make it dimmer and brighter. Here, if I can do it fast enough so you can really see it. It's pretty bright out right now. Anyways, so that's really all there is to it. It's very simple. I hope this video helped. If you did, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.